Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to add click here clickable link on Google Docs. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Docs. Okay, so once we click on this particular link, it will try to open up here. And now let's try to open the blank document. So we have opened the blank new Google document. So I will just give this name as clickable link project. Okay, so in this particular video I am going to show you like how we can add click here clickable link on the Google Docs. Okay, that means like whenever you click on that particular option or the link, it will try to open up the website, whichever the website you have mentioned there, in order to get redirected. Okay, so here I will try to add some text here for the sake of example. Okay, for example, like for more information you can click here. Okay, so here for that what you can do is like here you can just click on this particular option, insert. Okay, so once you click on the insert, just scroll down and here you can see somewhere link. Okay, so click on this particular option link, and here you can type the text, whichever the text you want here. For more information you can, I will just give it as click here, and here we'll try to redirect to the some particular website for which you want to get redirected. Okay, so for that I will just take some example. Let's give some example, like okay, we'll go for google.com only, www.google.com. okay, so I will just click on this particular option, apply. So here you can see for more information you can click here. Okay, so now we'll try to download this particular file, download Microsoft Word. So this particular file has been downloaded. So now let's try to open this particular clickable link project. Okay, so here you can see for more information you can click here. So for that, in order to click this particular link, so what you can do is like you can just press the control button on your keyboard, and here you can just click on this particular option, click here. So Microsoft Office has identified a potential security concerns. Hyperlinks can be harmful to your computer and data. It is important that this file is from the trustworthy source. Okay, so whenever you are trying to click any link which is mentioned as click here, so make sure that the link is it's very genuine and it's not going to harm your system or the laptop. Okay, so just make sure that the particular link is safe. Okay, so here I have given the link as www.google.com. Of course, google.com is one of the most trusted and the most popular search engine, so we can trust this particular website. So now we can click on this particular option, yes. So now it's going to open the particular link, whichever the link we have given here. Okay, so this is how you can add click here clickable link on Google Docs. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.